What's the meaning of Cub Scout? Cub Scout. Cub Scout.
Cub Scout. Cub Scout. Cub Scouts is a program developed for young children, usually between the ages of 7 and 11, that promotes the values of citizenship, character development, and personal fitness. The program emphasizes the importance of moral responsibility and community service through fun and educational activities. Cub Scouts are taught how to be responsible and respectful individuals while also having the opportunity to learn new skills such as camping, cooking, and sportsmanship. Overall, Cub Scouts is a positive and enriching experience for young children that helps them develop into well-rounded and responsible adults.